At Butler's annual Polar Plunge, students braved the harsh February weather in order to raise money for an important cause. This event was hosted by Butler Ambassadors for Special Olympics, also known as BASO. The Polar Plunge was held on Saturday, February 8th, and featured participants from different clubs and organizations across campus. Apart from the plunge, this event also featured food trucks, games, and an after-splash bash, where Butler students got to enjoy pizza and meet Special Olympics athletes.
So this has been something that's been in the works since this past summer, so really been working on it. Our main thing is working on fundraising, so we've been tabling for the past almost 4 or 5 months to bring awareness to everyone on campus. We've been reaching out to local sponsors, also coordinating with BUPD to make sure that everyone's safe for the event, and then coordinating with Special Olympics Indiana, so all of our stuff is in compliance with what they're expecting from us.
The purpose of this event is to raise money and awareness for Special Olympics Indiana, an organization that supports sports programs for people with intellectual disabilities.
You learn a lot about what a great cause Special Olympics is and what it means to all of our athletes, and you'll also just get to meet a bunch of really cool people and know that you're making a difference in other people's lives, which is super cool.
Apart from the Polar Plunge, BASO is also hosting Spring Sports, an all-night field day for Greek life and other student organizations on campus.
It's basically field day from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. with food every hour on the hour. I competed in it my freshman year and kind of fell in love with it.
If you want to join BASO, we do our applications every fall, so in August, and you can apply then to be on our executive board. But if you don't want to do that, then you can just go to all of our events like Polar Plunge and Spring Sports.
To learn more about BASO, Spring Sports, or next year's Polar Plunge, follow Butler Ambassadors for Special Olympics on Instagram at BASO_BU. For the Butler Collegian, I'm multimedia reporter Brooke Capper.